This is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there, tell you how I became a dude sitting in a wheelchair.
I know what y'all thinking seeing me up here, but I'm not really handicapped. I'm just really lazy. Or at least that's what I tell people. See, people always feel the need to come up to me and be like, hey man, what happened? Why are you in a wheelchair? And my favorite, like the old Indian people, they're like, so, what is wrong with you? I'm like, man, what the hell's wrong with you? You got no manners? Jeez. Nothing's wrong with me. I just got tired and wanted to sit down. Then I got lazy, so I had wheels. Now I can bring my own chair everywhere. I even got a cup holder.
When I was 22 years old, I had an accident where I fell off of a third-floor apartment balcony that left me paralyzed from the waist down. And we were partying, you know. I was 22 years old, we were in college. We actually took cabs to and from the club because we were trying to be like responsible drunk people. And when we got back, there was a missing cab. My cousin was in that cab, so we actually got to my apartment, which was on the third floor. We were ready to after party, and I went to the balcony to call my cousin who was in the missing cab, and he's like, we're right around the corner. And so I said, okay, and then I just decided to lean over the balcony to see if I could see any headlights coming, because they were taking a little while, and then the next thing I know, I'm being awoken on the ground.
Hi, I'm Vik Shivdasani, your favorite inspirational speaker and best-selling author of Rolling With It, Lessons Learned While Sitting Down. Book me for your next event, where I'll be asking your audience what's possible when you fall in love with your biggest challenges. And it all comes down to learning how to overcome fear.
Fear is the only thing that can hold me back if I let it. I define fear as the limitations that I put on myself about what I think can be possible. It's comprised of two elements: regret and worry. So regret means to fear something that's already happened. To worry means to fear something that may or may not happen in the future. So it became evident to me if I wasn't regretting the past or worrying about the future, I'd be living in the moment. To live in the moment then is to be free of fear. I don't have fear when I'm having fun, because I'm just thinking about the moment. When I'm having fun, I'm doing something that I love. And when I'm doing something that I love, I'm happy. Hence, when I live in the moment, I am happy. This is my way of life, guys. I mean, it's just how I roll.